Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this device. First of all, access Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, after that, location of my device is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and tap on location. Then manage it by clicking on this switcher next to Use Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!